woke up. Today is February 16th. It is 10:17 a.m. Alright, so I had some weird ass dreams today. When I say weird, this shit was weird. I only remember the one. I was going to meet my husband somewhere at this dealership. So I was already at the dealership. We had left and went somewhere. And you gotta excuse my 2-year-old here. Can I help you, sir? What? Oh, okay. All right. I love you. Okay. So I was supposed to meet him at the dealership. Okay. So some reason, somehow, I got on the bus. I ended up going. I knew where the dealership was at because we met on the bus. I met some little girl and we was up there talking, whatever, and just associate, just talking. And I can't remember what the hell we was talking about, but we just talking. So the bus had bypassed my stop, and I didn't want to go over the bridge, so it bypassed my stop. So I'm like, damn. So I ring the bell, and it was about to. It let her off at her stop. Then I ring the bell again for it to let me off, so I could walk back down. Well, instead of it doing that, the bus like speeded the fuck up, and when it sped the fuck up, it never, it was snowing. It slid all the way and jumped off a cliff into the icy water, right? I'm like, what the fuck, right? Everybody's screaming, oh shit. Now, normally I would jump out of my damn dream when I see that shit and I'm falling and shit like that. Like jumping off a cliff and shit like that. Normally, especially going into water, I'm always going into water. I normally jump out of my dream because the shit scares me. But this time I didn't. This time I stayed in it and it did like a Twilight Zone thing. And it's like everything had, you know what I'm saying? Like twirled around and replayed itself. I'm like, that's different. And then the second time it happened, he let me off. I'm like, damn, that was different. So I had went and sorry, my nose. I had went. Me and the girl went to go get coffee because where it was at, it was too far up, so it was cold. So I said, "Fuck it, let me go get some coffee." Now I don't drink coffee, but I went in there, went to McDonald's, got some coffee. Now, as I'm in McDonald's and watching and looking around and everything, I'm like, this shit look old as shit. You know what I'm saying? The shit was just old. People with the 1950 hairdos and is up and you know what I'm saying, just up like I'm up 1950 and 1960 hairdos. It was just up, but they was all Caucasians, and I'm like, okay, and maybe I'm in the wrong spot. I don't know what the fuck going on. Like maybe I went into a different time zone, a different reality or something. Cause from when I looked, I was the only black person in there, and I was like, okay. So I was waiting on the little girl, the old girl, cause she had left. She left to go do something, and she was supposed to come back. She left her purse. I didn't want to leave her purse right there. So once I seen them out there start doing dumbass shit, I said, shit, it's time for me to go.